Hi Andrew, it's the rep here at Vos Motors taking this video especially for you of this 2007 White Glide. I know this bike very well because I ride it. It's been a month and a half. I had my insurance on it, so it's kind of my demo. It's a limited edition 2007 Blues Brothers they call it. I did a lot of upgrades to the motorcycle. This is Koreakin cold air intake. This is the Passani, brand new 2-in-1, one of the best exhausts you can buy. Brand new, I got it as well. I did a lot of upgrades. I did some services as well. It does have a tinted tail light with integrated signals in it too. It's LED. Of course, new brakes. Services, everything is done, full service. Engine, tranny, prime, all changed, fully synthetic oil in it. The brake fluids are done. This is an air horn Volo. It's very loud actually. So as you can see, this is the kilometers, 56,000 kilometers on it. It was a one owner motorcycle. The guy bought it brand new. These are brand new, very comfortable Harley grips. I put them on. This is the RAM mount I put because I ride with a phone using as a GPS. This is extra tinted signal lights. This is chrome levers. The forks been polished. Extra Harley bolt covers there. The front lines changed to braided stainless steel. Of course, very bright LED light. If I turn on the key, okay, there we go. It does have an alarm as well, so if you have a fob key, you don't need the key. There is a fuel pack I have here, fuel pack 3. It was around $500 something upgrade as well. I did on it too. So as you see, the bike is in excellent condition. I put yesterday 400 kilometers when I went down to States, man. The bike is amazing, rides just perfect. If you have any question regarding this motorcycle, please ask me. I know everything about it. Tires are 95% on them. As you see, it's literally brand new, front and back, both of them. There we go. So, any questions, you can get back to me. You can email or call me back at 905-660-2901, extension 212. Thank you.